Good morning. We're going to be making some egg white omelets today. We're using egg whites, which have 45 milligrams of sodium, some olive oil, some baby spinach, some boar's head turkey, which we all know has none, onion, Swiss cheese, which has 45 milligrams. And since we're not using a lot of sodium in the actual egg white omelets, we're able to put in a little bit of this Loso low sodium seasoning. I'm using the spicy. It's not super spicy. It has a great flavor, and it just really, really does well with eggs. It has 125 milligrams per serving. Let's get started. You want to let this cook until it kind of bubbles on the sides. And there we have it. Gonna have to take a bite before I'm done filming because it's just so good. Yum. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Follow me for more low sodium recipes that actually taste good.